guys, just want to let you know before this video starts that I have a lot of videos that are just ready and waiting to be put up, and for a time being I don't know if I can keep up with this constantly or not. We will see, but I'm thinking about maybe uploading like 2, maybe 3 videos a day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 3 videos a day, but I'll probably do two a week is what I'll be doing. 2 a week. So yeah, just to let you know about that. There's a lot of upcoming videos. Just look for them. If I can't keep up with the 2, I'll go back to doing 1 a week. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Hello guys, it's your boy Shindig1 here, back at it again with another video. In today's video, doing things a little different today. We're gonna have a different angle, and today I am going to actually rebuild my commander deck. It's I'll have to find the planeswalker for you. I gotta find all the cards for this deck because I think this deck is gonna be amazing, and once I get it fully built, it will be better than my other one. So, first, I gotta give another room tour. As you can see, we're just at the border of my room. So, here is everything as it's new. So we've got this shelf is gonna be going. This is not gonna exist pretty soon. We've got both my mana banners are on the wall over here. They used to be, this one used to be on that wall, and now I just have my gesture there, and the picture's not there now, but okay. So focusing here a little bit, there we go. So we got both my mana banners there. We've got the blue one's still over there. I'm planning on moving that one over there. And then I've moved my bed here. Right now, the sheets are gonna get washed and stuff like that. And there's the shelves are back up, and there's so much more room in here now. Way more room. So before, we got a little red light here. I want to show you this thing. As you can tell, there's all these little spikes and stuff, and it's got a red glow to it. I got this from an antique store, that bulb, and that stand is from a while ago, so actually I've never seen it in a video before. So that's my current setup right now. This is how we're going to get our setup. We got our one monopod our first tripod here, standing up, and bringing my monopod here over, and then you're going to be seeing that, my mat, obviously. And I have my light there, which I'm probably not going to need because I'm not going to be filming by myself. Okay, so let's go with a room tour. So this is my room now as is. So what you're going to be seeing in my other videos, when I do a video in my room, you'll be seeing that first. Something like that, and then it'll pan over and you'll see the banners there a little bit, and then all of a sudden the person, which will be sitting where one of my stands are all standing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna see. So let's get into rebuilding this amazing. It's going to be alright. So first we have to find the commander, which I believe is in this box. These boxes have actually changed a little bit. I've done some editing to them. Here are my dual mana cards. Maybe I can even utilize some of these in this deck. Where is he? I haven't seen him in forever. He's going to be the commander in this deck once I can find him. That's an interesting card. I might actually make a deck with that one. Where is he? There he is. Here we go. There he is. Alright. This is gonna be a fun deck. Very fun. If I can get my cards back into the box. Maybe we can... Actually, I need to bring out any black, blue, black, no, red, green. Any red, green, dual-landed cards. A lot of white, blue, dual-landed, dual mana paying cards. Just interesting. Wait, there we go. Put him in there. I'm gonna put him in there. Her in there. Sure. Nope. Okay, we could do that one. Oh, Shroud. Chained Land. Chained Land is tapped from mana. Its controller adds 1 mana. Any mana has mana code. I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. Hull Breach. Here we go. Choose one. Destroy target artifact, or destroy target enchantment, or destroy target artifact and enchantment. Destroy artifact and enchantment. I like that card. Hull Breach. It's an old one. I know it's going to be command legal. Just know it's going to be command legal. Because pretty much all cards are command legal. Ooh, we got a bunch of them here. This is going to be nice. Just found a bunch of them. We have, and we can put Samut the Tested in here. Sweet. So we're going to put all of these dual-landed cards in here, because I normally don't use dual-landed cards. Good. Actually starting to utilize this. Right. Now that we've got our commander, which is that guy. His name is Boromogos Enraged. He is 4, 5, 6, 4. He's 8. He's 8 mana to play. He is a legendary, mythic rare Cyclops, and he is a 7/6. His trample. Whenever he is dealt combat damage, whenever he deals combat damage to a player, reveal the top 3 cards of your library. Put all land cards revealed this way into your hand, the rest into your graveyard. If I discard a card, Mogos Enraged deals 3 damage to target creature or player. I think this is going to be amazing. I think what we're going to have to do is have a whole bunch of useless cards in this deck and take them, so when I get this guy out, then I can start just discarding a whole bunch of cards and dealing a whole bunch of freaking damage to, oh wait, oh, wait a minute, I just saw something here. It's discard land cards, so his ability helps out a lot with that. So pull out a lot of mana and just start dealing a lot of damage. That will be amazing. Alright, so there's the commander. And we actually have a smaller card now. That's good. I like that. We've got our mana glass here. For some weird reason when I do a video, I get really out of it and tired. So, I don't know. It's just a side effect. Here's all of my cards. Or practically all of them. I think black, green, red, blue, artifacts. And this thing is filled to the brim. So I'm going to have to shift all these cards out. That's what I'm going to do. Is so I can get Boromogos out. I'm probably going to try and have more land in here than I can. More land than I normally would put in here. And see how that works. Dang, these stacks are big. I get a lot of freaking green, don't I? A lot of green and a lot of red. Holy cow. Alright, so all the green death touch creatures are going in here because Why the frick not? Actually, I have a whole bunch of them right on top. I think that's all of them. So I was trying to think of a good mana to creature rate. Well, actually, small creatures to big creature rate. And I was thinking somewhere around like 15. Let's see, it's 8 up. We want it to be about 50 creatures. Oh, this is gonna be some math here. 50 creatures. You have 50. You get 25. We can't have 25 and 25, so we need to have like, yeah, so like 15, 25. I think that might work. 15 to 25 ratio, maybe. Let's see, 15, maybe 10 cards. So on a 25 and 15, that's 30. That's 40 cards right there. So we can do another 10. So we can do a 20-30 ratio. That's 50 cards. Yeah, 20-30 ratio. Let's do a 20-30 ratio. So that's a small creature. That's small creatures. Lots and lots more. Oh, because. Many as we can, so we've added another Dryad, Daggerback Basilisk, Hammer Vespers. Can't have him. Have him. You want to put him there. He's high. He's high. He's high, man. He's high. Alright, so we need. Holy cow, 30 freaking small features, so we need, half 30, 15 and 15, so we need 15 red and 15 green small features, so that's enchantment, sorcery, that's a possibility, that's one we're gonna have, I don't know. Enchantment Shroud. Enchantment having Shroud really doesn't matter. I don't actually like Shroud because Shroud means that even I can't put abilities on it. Hexproof is better because then you can actually have some sorcerer's instances. You can actually put some buff spells on that. But a land normally, I mean, for me, I don't see a lot of it. So with this deck, nah, I'm not gonna put that in there. That's gonna go over there. Those are big creatures. Big card. Those are some big ones. That's a big creature. That's a sorcery. That's a big creature. And that's a really expensive sorcery. Because it says put 4/2/2 green player tokens in the battlefield. But gonna be some great defense. It's gonna be a strong deck. Very, very strong. Right. I also want to have a colossal Dragonhawk. Find a bunch of small creatures. That'd be nice. Put him in there. We want to crypt off right. That would be helpful.
From the dead.
Rage in here, but I can't put Burnt Rage in here because it's not an official card yet. And that is around the next card that I do plan to get. One of the next group of cards I'm gonna get. A lot of search my library for lands and put them on battlefield cards. I might actually put those in deck. Let's see. These two twos and control dinosaur. Nice. Out of rampant growth and hero. This is the frick coin Splash. Reveal the top 5 cards of your library, pull up a creature card and an enchantment card from your hand, so no, that's not gonna be nice. Club put him in there on his battlefield. And if target creature get XX until end of turn, where X is represented power. And I can earn a turn on it. Which means I can exile this card from the graveyard and create it. But it's only a sorcerer. From the dead. That would be nice. Initial land. Dinosaur opinion. We're back from the dead. It's my opinion. Hell yeah. I'll put him in there. Mana wise, he's bigger. Already have him in there. Might as well throw him in there. Him in there. And him. Okay, so I need 15 of these. Those are extras. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 green small creatures. And since we're going to have 20 of the big creatures, currently have 1, 2, so we need 10 of each. 20, 30 of each, right? So that means 50, so yeah. So I need 20, so I need 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we're gonna do, since these are dual and they're different, we're gonna half them between the two. Okay. So that we can have a little bit more. He's almost a good card. Almost. I can use one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more great black, green, sorry, green, great big green card. Oh, more items. Good and good. Why am I now finding a whole bunch of small creatures? Look, where are my death touch cards? put the gold wolf so you can get buffed up. No, you have to go up. Sorry, can't put him down. But the Hydra Broodmaster, I should have put him in. I don't want him. I don't want him. So that's it with green. Big creatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Big creatures in green. Those are gonna go for red. Might look for some more sorceries because we've got 12 of those. So 6 of each color. Alright, so looking for the small creatures. Actually do something. Put them in there. You can't be blocked. That's good. Put him in there. All lands lose mana. No, hold on. When it enters the battlefield, draw a card. All lands lose abilities. All lands lose all abilities except mana abilities. Could come in handy. Him in there. Him in there. Wait, I'm gonna put him in. No, okay. No, he's a big creature. He's a big card. He's a big card. I need to find some cards from the other deck. Those cards in there. I'm gonna at least leave it anyways. But that's gonna be after this video. I'm not gonna do it with you guys present because it's just gonna kill me. It's just gonna be boring to you guys. I'd speed it up, you know, whatever stuff. But alright, let's find out what kind of cards we got in here that would be. No, I don't have a card in here. That's right, I don't have one. Damage to be dealt. So, a couple of those. Burning Sense Avatar because he's so freaking big. He's amazing. If you can hear that knocking and scratching sound, the stake would be useful in this deck. Earth's Manticore. Harsh Mentor. I gotta have Harsh Mentor in there. Harsh Mentor is a card that I just recently added. It says whenever an opponent activates an ability of an artifact, creature, or land on the battlefield, if it isn't a mana ability, this card deals 2 damage to that player. Found that to be amazing. Let's see here. Heroic's Punishment. We're just gonna have them all red because why the frick not? Ooh, Curse of Blood. And have one of him anyways. Little 1/1 hatchling guy. Whenever he is dealt damage, whenever he's dealt damage, he creates a 3/3 dinosaur token. Rebel. Borgon Helic. When it enters the battlefield, does 4 damage. We're just gonna make like him in there, them there. Probably gonna take like all of those out because find some really good cards in here.
How did you do that?
Let's get in here. So let's just do that deck. Oh, that was amazing. All those cards are just buffed up here. Whoa. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3 more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll keep going. Okay, so we got all the big creatures that we... Whoa. Hold on. When this enters battlefield, is 1 damage to another creature, so let's not have him here. Whenever he attacks, he deals damage, and we want some. So let's pull out. These creatures are just too much to put some loot in. I just can't. We're not gonna put some loot in. Okay. So 3 more small creatures. I like fervent pyromancer. Why the frick not? An elemental cat. Frick. Alright. Yep. Come on. Just need 1 more small creature. 1 more small creature. Come on. Give me 1 more small creature. Come on. Give me a small creature. Upstairs. Guardian Frontline upstairs. In here. Oh, I know I don't have him. Yeah. Alright. So this deck's gonna be pretty quick and easy to build. Alright, so I gotta go through these. We're gonna take out all of my red cards. All of... I've got everything aside from this. So I want this one. I might want that one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. So I ended up taking out most of my dual summon cards. Because I thought it would be a lot better. And I think I'll keep this one out. What the heck did I just do? Whoa, what did I just do? Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can actually do 2 more. That's right, we got 2 more. So we want demolish. No, not demolish. We're gonna put demolish away. And I'm going to put in Harrow. And there's a card called Emergency Growth, which is amazing. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Not sure where the cards that have to move. Look. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in there? I need 15 small creatures right now. I need 15 small creatures. I don't have enough small creatures here. Frick. So I can't keep him in there. That's 11. So I just need 3 more small creatures. No, 4 more. Oh my gosh, I need 4 more small creatures. And I just kind of want to just throw them in there because... Okay, not gonna do that. Let's go down here. Does, but now I know. So that is 3. 1 more. But I believe I have it in. No. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. We have 16. In there. Oh, actually, look at those 2. Alright, so let's make sure we got everything right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Small creatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For those big creatures, that is correct. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those creatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those creatures. Alright. And we should have 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those. Alright, so we need how much land we need? 30, 37 I think is what it is. 63, 37, 37. Yeah, 37. Okay, so we need 37. We can get some of our lands from here. Green there, so we can get more from this. This command deck's already been pulled apart. Boom. 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 I think they have 15 in here. We're doing 37. How about 36 is... I don't know what 36 is. Can't have 3. I'll have to figure out those numbers. We might want to go like a little bit more red than anything. I mean, I can't take 15 after 7. Or number half 37. Alright, so there's all of the red. And I gotta have in this thing. I'm gonna bring out some green. This is the marks. We all know this is the marks. So we've got 4th right here. And we're gonna need more mountains. I know this is too much mana. Alright. Alright, let's see, with 37 lands, let's do like, if we do a 15-15, that's 30. The 14 is correct. 14 is correct. What am I thinking? 14 is correct. Oh, 14 is so correct. So there's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is 13 mana right there. So that is. Sorry, that should be 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we have 30. We can do 3 more of each. Do 4 mana of red. And that'll work. Alright, let's put all these cards together. Whoa! Let's get this mana set up. So alright, that, like I said before, I was not going to bore you with the sleeving and stuff, because why the frick would I do that? Okay. So this is all the cards we have. We have our commander, our very, very amazing commander, and lots and lots and lots of other fun cards. I think I'm going to enjoy this deck. I'm going to see you guys later. Shindig out.